Cut then update sa post ni Father Jeff, sabi niya yung bigla mo nakita yung taong kinukumpisalan mo. Ayan, si Alden yung nasa likod ni Catherine. Ayan, cute pa nga ng cut din. Ito yung picture ng cut din sa favorite spot nila na escalator. Ang dami pang ang tao sa likod nila, mga fans ng cut din. Ayan, pinagpaguluhan siyempre ang cut din. Sa kanilang premiere night dyan sa SM Mega Mall. Ito pa nga yung group picture ng cast ng Lola Bagel. Showing worldwide. Ito yung video ng Catherine nasa loob ng sinehan, Cinema 3. Mega mo Catherine with Derek Carter with cast ng Lola Bagel.
Hello, si Ate Kat. Wala ko ako na Derek Kat.
Kakaya. Lovely. And Valerie sa sinagpag.
And of course, papatinan din natin lahat ng mga cast and our director para sa mga bati na po tayo sa mga business na family and friends po natin our boss. Ayan, kahit a quick hello and thank you naman po. Hindi pa na po ako tahimik. Maganda kami po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po una sa Diyos that we are here, gathered to witness the very first screening of Hello, Love Again. And I maraming salamat sa Brother Steven! Nakatatlong baba na rin ako! But this movie po, galing sa mga puso namin para sa inyo. Isa lang ang aming nagsan. Sana nagustuhan niyo. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po.
Yes, sir, all there, Richard. Of course, to our family, friends, and of course, we would like to thank JV Pictures, of course, Miss Anita Bozon, and of course, to Miss Joy Marcelo. Thank you so much for making this film possible. Also to Star Cinema, Sir Carlo Catigba, Tita Maureen Miganes, and sino pa ba? To Atik Army, of course, thank you so much na nandito po ngayon, and of course to all of our friends and Christians po, and to all our fans who's here tonight. We're very excited to see the film. Ito na po yung pinaghirapan namin ng ilang buwan during the beginning of 2024, and right now makikita ninyo po muli ang kwento ng Joy and Ethan. So I hope you guys will enjoy the film as much as you guys are going to be falling in love with the characters. I hope that after the film po, ma-inspire pa rin tayong mabuhay and to do good things to the people around us after this film. So maraming salamat po, and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
And of course, Catherine Bernardo! Good evening! Hello! To all the fans, to our family and friends in the industry, to our bosses, lahat na nandito to show your support. Maraming salamat. It means the world to us. Actually, pinagpabangga po ako ilang araw na, and kanina, gumising ako, sobrang kinakabahan. But then after siguro makita lahat, mas excitement yung nagpipili ko ngayon. Because like what Derek Kasi said, ang mapapangako lang namin sa inyo, sa pelikulang to, puso yung nagpipili namin. So I hope after watch this film, yun yung maramdaman nyo. Hindi lang kay Joy at kay Ethan, pero sa buong pelikula. Lahat na nangyayari ngayon, sobra po kami overwhelmed sa support na binibigay nyo. And we all did our part. So ngayon, we left everything to him. So let's all say it to the movie. And all the girls, and all the support, thank you for being here. Sa lahat ng mga kapuso, kapamilya, lahat ng sama-sama for tonight. And please enjoy the movie. Thank you. Yes! Ayan. Again, pwede na po tayo mag-proceed sa ating mga designated seats. Ayan, so akyat na din yung map. Maraming salamat. Ayan, so...
Papanoorin na nila ang Lola Bagel.
Congratulations na in advance.
Ayan, guys,
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update. Ito po ang Victory Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.